Let me show you how you can quickly enable custom message on DocuSign. DocuSign has an option to enable your own custom message, and to do that just simply click on admin at the top. From those options there on the menu, and on the left side all you have to do is click on account profile. Now under the account profile you'll see administrator custom message. You can simply toggle this on to enable it, and now you can write your message whatever you want right here. You have a 150 character limit maximum, so just use those character wisely. You also can add a custom message right here, so you have the notice and you also have the custom message, right? Now for the notice you have 150 character maximum, as you can see, and the message, the custom message itself, you have a bit more, which is 500 character, right? And once you add it in, you can quickly click a preview. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just quickly add just this text right here and just do a preview, and you're going to see a preview of what that looks like right here. But that's pretty much it, guys.